Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day or year it is you're watching this, but welcome to my new channel, Dave's a Master Baker. So you'll see me doing quite a bit of master baking on this channel, and I have some master baking videos already, but they're mixed up in my Norfolk Broads channel. I'm going to bring them over here. So this short video is just an introduction to this channel, and please subscribe. Now, the first one I'm going to be doing is it's a pretty quick one, hopefully, and it's a Dave and Lucy's special one. It's no recipe for this one. You can do whatever you want. That'll become apparent very, very soon, hopefully to you. I might have to give Lucy a call to see how we came up with the idea in the first place. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the video coming up, or it might already be up, and then the ones that I've already got on another channel, I'm going to transfer them over. So let's get cooking. Well, that's the thing, you see, when it says master baking, that sort of suggests that I'm doing bread, cakes, stuff like that, but no, it's just cooking in general, really. Well, if you can call it that, what I do. But Dave's a master cooker. Don't quite sound the same, does it? You know, play on words. You got that, didn't you? So yeah, let's get going. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.